welcome to Reena's YouTube channel. So in this video, we will be seeing a lot more on Teams. So this is the part 3 of the series. If you have not already watched the previous 2 parts of the series, the link of the playlist is given in the description box below. So this will be the last episode of the series. But if you have any queries or questions related to Microsoft Teams, you can always post it in the comment section below and I will get back to you. So now let us begin on how we can actually use Teams to upload our assignments and notes through OneNote. So to begin with, open the Teams app and go to the Teams section. Now what you need to do is that you need to click on the desired subject. I want to upload my social science note. So I'll click on social science. After that, you need to go to this class notebook section. You will already see your existing notes, if any. But if you don't see anything and if it shows a welcome screen for you, don't worry. Click on the small library icon over here. After that, click on this add page. Select class notes. You may have different sections, but if you want to upload class notes, you have to select class notes. If you want to upload worksheets, you want to select worksheet. But if you want to upload class notes like me, click on the add page. Name it as civics or anything you want. I am uploading civics note, so I will make it what the desired lesson. So I want to upload the third lesson of civics. So what I will be doing now is that click over here, go to the insert tab, click on the file, and this is very important. Don't click as the insert file attachment. Click the insert file printout. This is because the teachers won't be able to correct if you insert as a file attachment. But if you attach it as a PDF printout, the teachers will be easily able to correct the given file. So after that, click on the choose file button. Go to the desired place where you have already taken all of your actual notes. I have taken civics class 8 notes. After that, click on the insert tab. After you insert, the notes of the desired lesson will be appeared. Please note that you should only put in PDF format of the notes. How do you take the PDF format? Well, I use an app called Microsoft Lens. It's a very amazing app to convert any given image into the PDF format. There are so many available apps in App Store or the Google Play Store. You can go check them out. So that's it for this video, guys. But if you enjoy this video and have any queries or questions regarding Microsoft Teams, you can ask it in the comment section and I will get back to you very soon. So thank you. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Bye. Have a great day.